What if we make tone paper portrait photos? How do you think about this idea? Let's try it. First thing first, we will separate this beautiful girl from the background. Choose Subject in Select menu and let Photoshop AI to make the selection for you. There are still some of her hairs left out, so we have to select it manually. Select and mask. Use Refine Edge Brush tool to paint over the edges of the subject to eliminate the background and pick up the outside hairs. This tool really comes in handy when it comes to subject selection. Then check to the Contaminate Colors box on the right hand side. Adjust the amount to around 50%. In Output to box, drop down the menu and choose New Layer with Layer Mask. Then confirm. Turn off the background layer to see the changes. The subject is now separated from the background. Create a new layer and fill it with white color. Make sure the background layer is white, then press Ctrl or Command Delete. Choose Layer 1 and Background Copy Layer. Right-click to Top Layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Photoshop will convert it to Smart Object and merge it to Layer 1 at the same time. Now we will use Move tool and put it to the tone paper image that I've prepared before. If you like this stock, feel free to download it in the link on the description. Reduce the opacity to 60% so that we can see the below layer before adjusting the position of subject. Zoom out to have more space of viewing. Press Ctrl or Command T to resize the image. Hold Alt and Shift. Click to the corner and drag in to scale down the subject until her eyes in the center of tone paper hole. Bring back the opacity to maximum. Duplicate the subject layer with Ctrl or Command J. Put one of them below layer 1. Take the selection of layer 1 by hold Ctrl and click to it. Choose top layer and add layer mask of selection to it as well. Change blend mode from normal to multiply. Create a black and white adjustment layer. Clip and match it to the below layer with the square icon or shortcut Ctrl Alt G for Windows or Command Option G for Mac. Create levels adjustment layer. Increase black to 3 and decrease white to 2, 4, 8. Add a bit of contrast to it as well by using curve adjustment layer. In layer 1, open blending options. Turn on drop shadow and set the values as below. Opacity 35%, angle 30 degrees, distance 12 pixels, spread 11%, size 10 pixels. Alright, if you like the tutorial, hit like, subscribe and the bell to get the latest video for learning Photoshop every day.